What's the meaning of choux pastry? Choux pastry. Choux pastry.
Choux pastry. Choux pastry. Choux pastry is a type of pastry made from a combination of butter, water, flour, and eggs. It is also referred to as pâte à choux. When baked, it results in a light, airy, and hollow pastry with a crispy exterior. It is commonly used to make various desserts such as cream puffs, eclairs, and profiteroles. The pastry can also be shaped into savory forms and used for dishes like gougers. Overall, choux pastry is a versatile and classic French pastry that can be both sweet and savory.